Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 1st, 2022, and we're looking at the Prime Arc Freedom Transplant all the way south to Zone 10A 9B border in Florida. Alright? This thing is looking pretty good. Let's take this cage off. Okay, we've removed the cage. First, I want you to notice the dappled light location. Alright, I went ahead and placed these as recommended by the actual farm that sent this to me. Placed it in a dappled light location because apparently it gets too scorchy or too hot in this location in the United States for these to really thrive in full sun. So you have to do a dappled light location. And you know what? That advice seems to be playing out well. Also, what I did with this pot here is I did like a lasagna layering of the soil. I put leaves, sand, leaves, sand, leaves. And this blackberry plant seems to be enjoying that. It's been getting plenty of water. Yeah, and no insecticides, none of that yet. Haven't really had to pull out any guns on this one. So what I'm looking at here is a bunch of real fresh, beautiful new growth. So I cannot say that I am disappointed. I'm eager to see this thing produce and then reproduce going into next year, because I would really like a lot of big, vibrant, luscious, beautiful blackberries coming out of this bush here. So throughout the year, we're just going to monitor this and stay on top of the progress. Eventually I want to put it in the ground, but I don't want to make the mistake of putting it in a location where it's not going to do well, or where the southern root knot nematode has its way with the root system of this amazing fruit-bearing bush. So I'm going to have to be careful when putting this in the ground. So we'll see what happens. I'm not even sure this thing can be affected by the root knot nematode, but I'd hate to, these are expensive, so I'd hate to be, make the mistake of the root knot nematode having its way with this plant. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of this Arkansas Prime Arc Freedom blackberry bush. Have a great day.